Hello everyone, welcome to Excel-Tally software. Today we will see how to import payment receipt voucher. We'll open Excel-Tally folder. In this folder, banking templates folder will open. In this banking template folder, we can see payment voucher and receipt voucher templates are here. We'll see one by one. First, payment voucher template. Here, this is the payment voucher template, contains some junk data. For that, we have to click on clear sheet button. By clicking on clear sheet, all the junk data will remove. Here, now for importing the data, we have to perform the steps. First, open your file. Second, start mapping. Third, import data. As we know, by clicking on open your start mapping button, headings will match according to fourth row. Now, first step, open your file button. By clicking on open your file, we just have to select that Excel sheet which we want to import. When we open the Excel sheet through the template, the Excel sheet will open simultaneously in background. This is the payment vouchers which we want to import into Tally. Contents in cash book. Here we have to select the sheet like cash book. Start row, end row we can mention here. By clicking on start mapping button, headings will match according to fourth row. Now, by clicking on import data button, all the data will fetch here according to headings from your Excel sheet to template. Now, this data is fetch here. Now, we have to just save the template and copy the path, and this template we have to run through the software. For that, in this folder, Excel-Tally folder, we can see application is present here, Excel-Tally application. We'll run the application. This application is our software. Through the drop down box, we have to select the company, in which company we want to import the data. Now, here receipt voucher and payment vouchers are present. We'll run first payment voucher. By clicking on payment voucher, whatever path we have copied, we have to paste here and open, and by clicking on yes, data will import in Tally. All entries are imported in Tally. We'll cross check the data. Here we can see the payment vouchers are created here. All the payment entries are created successfully. Now we will see how to import receipt vouchers. For that, same steps we have to perform as a payment vouchers. Again, we open the banking templates. In the banking templates, receipt voucher template we have to open. This is our receipt voucher template. I'll close payment data, payment template. This is the receipt voucher template. Again, contains some junk data. We'll click on clear sheet button. By clicking on clear sheet, junk data will remove. Now again we have to perform 3 simple steps. Open your file, start mapping, import data. I'll select the Excel sheet, receipt voucher, open. We'll check the data. In sheet 1, data is present here. In this template, we have to select the sheet like sheet 1. Start row, end row we have to mention. By clicking on start mapping button, again headings will map. Now by clicking on import data, data will come here. All the data fetch successfully. Now here, if we want to cross check the ledgers, for that we have to click on connect with Tally button. By clicking on connect with Tally, software will connect with Tally company, and by clicking on match ledgers with Tally, all the ledgers will cross check with Tally. Those ledgers are created in Tally, they are showing in blue color. Those are not created in Tally, they are showing in maroon color. Software, Excel-Tally software will automatically auto create the ledgers. These are the new ledgers which are going to be created. Now we have to save the template. and again we have to copy the path. Through the software, receipt voucher we have to run. In the receipt voucher template, we have to select open and yes. All the receipt voucher entries are created successfully in the Tally. Now again we'll check the data. Here receipt vouchers are created successfully. Here we can see automatically new ledgers also created here. In this way, you can import receipt voucher, payment voucher easily through the Excel-Tally software. Thank you for watching the video.